Decoding and understanding unusual tire noises and resolving the sounds. Your car's tires are the unsung heroes of every journey, providing a smooth and reliable ride. However, when those tires start making strange noises, it's time to pay attention. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore the potential reasons behind unusual tire noises, helping you understand the sounds and take necessary steps to address them. Tire noises can manifest in various ways, from subtle hums to more pronounced thuds or clicks. Identifying the type of noise and when it occurs can offer valuable clues about the potential issues. Here are common causes of unusual tire noises and their solutions. Humming or whirring sounds. Uneven tire tread wear. Uneven wear can create a humming or whirring noise, especially at higher speeds. Improper wheel alignment. Misaligned wheels can lead to uneven tire wear and corresponding noise. Try this. Regularly rotating and balancing tires to ensure even tread wear. Schedule a wheel alignment to correct any misalignment issues. Thumping or rhythmic noises. Tire separation happens if a tire's internal layers separate. It can lead to rhythmic thumping noises. Damaged or separated belts within the tire can also cause rhythmic thumping. If this is happening, do this right away. Inspect tires for visible signs of separation or damage. If belts are compromised, replace the affected tire immediately. Clicking or tapping sounds. Foreign objects lodged in the tire tread, such as rocks or nails, can create clicking or tapping noises. Studs or snow chains. If applicable, studs or snow chains may produce clicking sounds as well. If you hear clicking, inspect the tire tread for foreign objects and remove them carefully. If using studs or snow chains, ensure they are properly installed. Squealing or screeching noises. Squealing sounds are usually indicative of an issue with worn brake pads or issues with the braking system. Worn or damaged wheel bearings can also produce squealing or screeching. Tire slippage due to loss of traction when accelerating aggressively can also produce a screeching sound. What to do? Schedule a brake inspection and replace worn brake pads if necessary. Have wheel bearings inspected and replace them if found to be damaged. Slow down, avoid rabbit starts, and accelerate smoothly. When to seek professional help. While some tire noises have straightforward resolutions, others may require professional attention. Here are signs that it's time to consult your tire experts at RiceTire. Persistent or worsening noise. If the noise persists or worsens despite your attempts to address it, professional intervention is advisable. Safety concerns. Any noise related to tire issues, especially those affecting braking or stability, should be promptly assessed for safety reasons. Vibrations or handling issues. If unusual noises are accompanied by vibrations or changes in the vehicle's handling, bring it to RiceTire for help. Frequently asked questions about tire noises. Why do my tires make noise at low speeds? Noise at low speeds could be due to various factors, such as uneven tire wear, tire defects, or issues with wheel alignment. Regular tire maintenance can help address these concerns. Inspect the tires for visible signs of damage and address accordingly. Is it normal for tires to make noise on certain road surfaces? Some tire noise on certain road surfaces is normal. However, excessive or sudden changes in tire noise may indicate issues with tire wear or alignment. Ignoring the issue can lead to further damage and compromise your safety on the road. If you're unsure about the cause, it's advisable to consult with one of RiceTire's qualified mechanics who can conduct a comprehensive inspection and recommend the necessary repairs.